it's Sam. So today I'm going to be doing my FabFitFun winter add-ons sneak peek. Huge thank you to FabFitFun for partnering up with me for this video. I'm super excited. There's some awesome things in here. I cannot wait to show you guys. I always have a coupon code to save you money if you haven't signed up for FabFitFun already. It'll be in the description box below. It'll save you guys $10 off of your first box, which will bring your box down to $39.99. If you're not familiar with FabFitFun, basically it is a lifestyle subscription box. You get beauty, lifestyle, fashion, skincare, all that good stuff, sometimes snacks. And it comes every season, so we are gonna be going into the winter box now. They always offer you guys a chance to add stuff onto your box. So they have like all these amazing brands that are super discounted. So if you are already a member, you can upgrade to the annual membership and then you would get early access to these add-ons. Then you would get them before other people get access to them, and these sell out pretty quick because they are limited. Also, if you are a US member, you can add the sponsored add-ons for free into your cart as long as you have $15 in your cart. So let's just say you find something for 15 bucks, you add that into your cart. You can also add on the sponsored add-ons for free. So I don't actually have the sponsored add-ons, but I'm just going to tell you what they are. So there's Giovanni, which is a tea tree shampoo for all types, all hair types, which helps increase scalp circulation for a refreshed, renewed feel. Then we have Otterbox, which is a cute protective case accessory with a thin pocketable design. And then we have Mint Mobile, 3 months of premium wireless, including unlimited talk and text. So those are the sponsored add-ons that you would get for free if you have $15 in your cart. Let's go ahead and get started, and I'll show you a sneak peek of what you can expect for the winter add-ons. There's so many good things, you guys, you're gonna be shocked. So the very first thing is this gorgeous little blush tone bag, and it is by TMRW Studio. It's the Milo Suede and the color is blush, and it's gorgeous with the little square handle. It has like this cute little star right here, and then it opens up. I'm actually going to give this as a gift, but it does have a long strap as so that you can wear it as a crossbody, or you can just wear it as the little bag. The next item is the Rebecca Minkoff, which is like, you know, pretty snazzy. This is a gorgeous little black bag, and then again it does have the big long strap attached to it, so you can make it a crossbody. It's quite structured on the bottom, so you have like a nice hard bottom so that it sits nicely when you have it standing up. You have this big huge zipper on the back here. Inside of it you do have like a big zipper here. Oh, it comes with a little case. So it comes with a little blush tone Rebecca Minkoff like protective bag so that you can store it. It's not huge, but I think you could definitely fit your phone, you know, your money, a couple of glosses, whatever it is that you need little bits and bobs of. Super cute. We have the Gemstone Wine Stopper, set of 2 wine stoppers. Oh gosh, they are so cute, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love these so much. How gorgeous is this? It's just this really pretty, just basically looks like a rose quartz, like that really light pink little wine topper, stopper, whatever they're called. One is like a white kind of gray, and then one is the light pink. Those are so adorable. This would be a perfect Christmas gift. That's the thing I love about the add-ons. If you're doing your Christmas shopping right now, it's the perfect place to get holiday gifts for your friends and family, because you can get them at discounted prices and they're so cute. I mean, that would be such a lovely gift. Any of these bags would be a super cute gift as well. So next we have La Potion. I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to say it like that, but La Potion Infini Argentum. Okay, well, I don't know how to say this right. It's a fancy cream. I love the packaging. It's very sleek. Look at that. That's like super chic, and then it comes in this like little box. Hydrating protective day and night cream. It's unisex, all skin types, face, eyes, and neck. Oh wow, that's really cool. And then look at the little pamphlet. It comes with like the little scooper as well. So this would be a great gift for a man or a woman. It is unisex, so that's really nice. Okay, next we have a Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette. I don't know if I think I have one Tarte palette somewhere, but I don't know if it's this one. Oh look, this is pretty. I don't think I have this one. Look how pretty that packaging is. It's very peacocky, isn't it? That's definitely peacocky. Oh, I can't remember if I have this one or if my sister has this one. But it's really beautiful. It's all these like really gorgeous shimmery colors, very neutral really pretty light kind of shimmery shades. So that's absolutely gorgeous. Again, another great present for someone who likes neutral tones. Next, we got the Daily Concepts Daily Back Scrubber. Ooh. So this is great if you are someone who self-tans and you need like a little exfoliator for your back. It just like, it comes like this so that you can go like that and then exfoliate yourself. So that's really handy because I always have to like ask Jay to exfoliate my back for me when I'm going to self-tan because I can never do it myself. Okay, then we have the Sweet Leilani Earth's Expert Skincare. This is the Hawaiian Cleanse. It's a foaming cleanser, makeup remover, and shampoo. Okay, so it can be all sorts of different things. Oh, it smells really nice, like orange. It's very citrusy. Really cute packaging. I like that. So that's kind of a cool product. You can do it for cleanser, makeup remover, or shampoo. And it says it's vegan, paraben-free, gluten-free, cruelty-free, and fragrance-free. Okay, next we have the Neon & Co. Good Hair Shampoo. It's a wash, setting, light foam, deep clean. Plus the Good Hair Conditioner. The secret to unhappiness is unlocking your locks. It says that this shampoo doesn't bubble up like you see in commercials. No making fluffy white beards out of foam because that's not the point. The point is it cleanses your hair, removing the last few days of grit without removing the moisture. It's gentle on color, strengthens each strand, and adds shine. It cuts drying time and extends the life of your blow dry so that you can enjoy more than one good hair day. So this is actually great because my cousin is coming tomorrow. I am so excited. That's why I'm like, my hair's not even like done. I'm rushing around trying to clean the house, trying to get everything ready, washing sheets, trying to film all the rest of my videos, trying to edit. Like I've been working like a mad person this last couple of weeks because I've had to pre-film, pre-edit, pre-upload, pre-schedule all of my videos so that when they're here, because they're here for 10 days with their whole family, I don't have to work. I really do not want to have to sit on my computer for hours on a, you know, at a time working when they're here because I never get to see them. The last time I saw them was 3 years ago. This is perfect because I told them not to bring shampoo and conditioner, and I have a ton, but I'll let them try this one out as well. Next is the Cocoa Floss Fresh Coconut. Again, I'll put this in their room so they have some yummy tasting floss. We actually have the strawberry one, which is really yummy. This one smells so good of coconut, so that's really cute. I love that. I'm so glad I got this right before they came. Then we have the CZ by Kenneth J. Lane. I think that's how you say it. And it's these gorgeous little hair clips. Here, I'll take it out of the plastic. That would help. So they're just these really cute little cubic zirconia hair clips. Very sparkly. So those are, whoops, those are cute. Great little gift idea. Okay, then we have the Perricone MD No Makeup Instant Blur. Minimize the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and enlarged pores over time. Reduces the appearance of pores and uneven texture. Instantly smooths lines and wrinkles. Oh, it's just an instant blur. So maybe it's just a primer. So it's just like a compact. It's kind of like the Clarins one. And it comes with like a little sponge, so that's cool. I'll have to try that out. Okay, next we have the Glowing Essence Complete Serum. This is a serum that brightens tone, diminishes age spots and discoloration, reduces wrinkle depth and density, accelerates cellular turnover and regeneration, boosts collagen and elastin production, and promotes moisture retention. Cute little packaging. It's just like very chic. Then another great Christmas gift idea. This is so cute. It's a mug that says Slothy. Get it, sloth and coffee. And then it has this cute little sloth right here. That is so adorable. Next we have the Catherine Malandrino. This looks like it's a perfume set. So you get a body lotion, a full-size perfume, really pretty bottle, and then a little travel one. Oh, okay, so that's kind of like there's a spice with a slight amber, bit of sweetness. Actually, you know what it reminds me of is the YSL Mon Paris. The bottle is super pretty for people who like really love that pop of blue. Like, look how gorgeous that is. So that one's definitely it's definitely a winter scent. It's definitely spicy, ambery, warm, kind of sweet, like think brown sugary with like a spice. Okay, next we have this gorgeous little fanny pack. Oh, I love my fanny pack so much. They are like my favorite thing ever. This is fabulous because look how big this is. This is by Rebecca Minkoff and it's this gorgeous khaki green. You know, it's funny because like I've never really enjoyed green, but lately I've really been loving green. It all started with my curtains that have these pops of green on the stems. And then from there I was like, ooh, I like green. And like right now emerald green is so in, like emerald green velvet sofas, emerald green bathroom counters or cabinets, bathroom or emerald green tiles, emerald green kitchens. Like it's super in. So this would be a great gift for someone who is definitely outdoorsy, or maybe just a busy mom that like, I'm telling you what, fanny packs are life. Like I love fanny packs. Every time we go somewhere, I always take a fanny pack. Like if I know we're gonna be at the aquarium or like somewhere like with the kids, I always have a fanny pack because no one wants to be having a bag on their shoulder because it hurts your shoulder after being out and walking around with kids. You've got a lot of stuff to tote, but this one's really good because you could actually fit wipes in here because they're always messy. My children spill everything all over themselves. Okay, next we have a rose gold flat iron. I might just leave this in my cousin's room for her so that she can use this. Oh, it's so cute. It's black and rose gold. Look at that, they're rose gold. So pretty. So I will let my cousin use that while she's here. That way it's a brand new fresh one. This is like literally the best box right now because all this stuff I can have in her room so that she has extra goodies to play with. Okay, then we have a yoga mat, just a nice plain pink, kind of like just a true pink yoga mat. That's always good. Next we have a really adorable pink daily planner. Again, another great gift for the holidays. This one is pink. It's by Oh Dear, which is made in the UK, and it's just like this really lovely soft pink color. Sticky notes. One says it's hammer time, and it's got a little hammerhead shark. Is that gonna focus? There we go. And then this one says, squeeze the day. And then last but not least is the Hocus Pocus neon love sign. Ooh, cute. It's just cursive love, and then this would be neon pink. And then it does have little spots where you can nail it to the wall. That is all of the add-ons for winter. I hope that you guys found that helpful and found some stuff that you would definitely be interested in either getting for yourself or as gifts. I'm so excited for this bag, you guys. I'm keeping this for myself because I love fanny packs so much. I'm actually just gonna take off all the little tassels so that you guys can see. Look how cute these little tassels are. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is like the best fanny pack ever. I'm seriously such a nerd. I love fanny packs so much. I have so many, but like I can never get enough because you would need different fanny packs for different things. So great gift shop. I cannot talk. Great gift. I have some like really plumping lip gloss on right now and it's making my lips so like cold that I don't think I can feel them. Great gift options. Sorry, I'm so excited to open this fanny pack. For the holiday season. Oh, look at the buckle. The buckle is even fancy. I'm so excited. So yes, I think that you can definitely find some good gifts for friends, family, siblings. I definitely am going to give some of these items to my family members. And then I hope that you guys enjoy and found this helpful. Leave a comment down below. What was the thing that you were like most excited to see that is in the FabFitFun add-ons? Huge thank you to FabFitFun for partnering up with me for this video. I really appreciate it. And then of course, once my FabFitFun winter box comes, I will be doing an unboxing of that very, very soon. So I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I will leave that link for FabFitFun as well as my coupon code in the description box for you. And I'll see you very soon.